Hey guys, it's Lindsay with Love to Arrive. My next trip has taken me to Cologne, Germany, where there's a ton of shopping to do, great food to try, and museums to experience. And I'll have to indulge in some chocolate along the way at the Chocolate Museum. I finally get to see the Chocolate Museum. It's right there. So excited. Woo!
Everybody in the world likes chocolate. We love it. Oh, it makes you happy. Yeah, it gets you sexy. It makes you fat. But we don't care about that. Now come on.
This is the machine that mixes the chocolate. Don't you just want to swim in it?
Choco Choco, clap, clap. Choco Choco, clap, clap. Everybody say it, chocolate. Here we go. Choco Choco, clap, clap. Choco Choco, clap, clap. Everybody say it, chocolate.
The Mayan civilization put chocolate in their drinks and used cocoa beans as money over 3,000 years ago. Then the Spanish conquered and took the beans with them, but they added sugar and cinnamon to sweeten it. And in 1850, Joseph Fry created the first chocolate bar. And over hundreds of years ago, chocolate was sold in pharmacies for medicinal purposes. It also improves blood flow to the brain and boosts brain function. That means the more you eat, the smarter you'll get. That's a lot of chocolate. Imagine having to wrap all that by hand. God, look at all these sweets and a chocolate fountain. I want that in my kitchen.
Choco, clap, clap. Choco, Choco, clap, clap. Everybody say it, chocolate. Here we go.
I gotta say, it was definitely a magical experience. If you are in the area, I highly recommend that you go and check it out. Yum. My favorite part. I really liked watching how this delicious treat was made. I even designed my own chocolate bar. This is Lindsay with Love to Arrive. See you next time.